10 Foods Nutritionists Love. Everything we consume in a perfect world would taste fantastic, be super convenient, and have plenty of nutritious benefits. But, in the actual world, do such foods exist? They surely do, and specific meals that are difficult to get by are not required. These 10 nutritionists' faves are adaptable and delicious, with the majority of them being quick to make. Number 1. Beans. Beans are the only food classified into two dietary groups, vegetables and proteins, because they're such a nutritious powerhouse. Beans are high in low-fat protein, fiber, and a variety of minerals and phytonutrients, all of which may help protect against diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and some malignancies, while also promoting muscle growth and repair. Beans can be used in soups, stews, and chili. Salads, burritos, and scrambled eggs all benefit from them. Alternatively, mix beans with spices to make delicious spreads and dips. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein, potassium, and calcium, as well as probiotics. It's smooth, creamy, and extra thick. Yogurt's nutrients aid in the development of strong bones, digestion, and the maintenance of a healthy immune system. Greek yogurt has less watery whey than conventional yogurt, which causes it to be super thick. It also has less sodium and carbohydrates, and double the protein. Evers recommends using plain non-fat Greek yogurt as a base for salad dressings, dips, and smoothies, or as a topping for soups, stews, nachos, and chili. If you like your yogurt sweet, mix in a spoonful of jam and some nuts or seeds for a quick, healthy breakfast on the run. Number 3. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are high in heart-healthy potassium and vision-boosting vitamin A, making them one of the most nutritious vegetables you can eat, especially if you leave the skins on. Sweet potatoes are fat and cholesterol-free, and they have a rich, syrupy flavor while being low in calories. Cubed sweet potatoes can be cooked quickly in the microwave or roasted in the oven with a little oil and salt. Sweet potatoes can also add body to stews and give lasagnas and other casseroles a sweet flavor. Number 4. Powerhouse peanuts. Peanuts, like other legumes, are high in protein, which your body requires to create and repair muscle. They also have mono and polyunsaturated fats, which are good for your heart. Peanuts have nutrients that may reduce the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. According to David Grotto, RD, author of 101 Foods That Could Save Your Life, if you eat peanuts with their thin red skins on, you'll get the same antioxidants found in wine and chocolate. Number 5. Kefir. Kefir is a fermented milk drink that is typically produced using cow, goat, or sheep's milk, although it can also be made with rice, coconut, or soy milk. Kefir, which some describe as a pleasantly carbonated liquid yogurt, is high in calcium and protein, as well as magnesium, riboflavin, folate, and B12, according to Grotto. Kefir, like yogurt, includes probiotics, which help with digestion as well as IBS and Crohn's disease symptoms. In women, these probiotics may be used to treat or prevent vaginal or urinary infections. Kefir can be used to make a nutritious, drinkable breakfast or a quick, filling snack. It can also be blended into smoothies and shakes, or added to soups, pieces of bread, and other baked foods. Number 6. Vitamin C-rich strawberries. Strawberry may be the most popular summer fruit. Strawberries are not only juicy and sweet, but they also contain 160% of your daily vitamin C in their succulent scarlet skin. Strawberries are high in fiber, which aids digestion, vitamin C, which helps maintain healthy teeth and gums, and flavonoids, which may improve mental performance and fight breast and prostate cancer. Strawberries, whether fresh or frozen, are a nutrition powerhouse, according to Grotto, so toss them into a summer salad, make a delectable fruit salsa, or sprinkle ripe, ruby red strawberries with a little dark chocolate for a healthier alternative to cake. Number 7. Mushrooms. Mushrooms aren't simply flavorful in stir-fries, they're also low in calories and high in selenium, a cancer-fighting mineral. Furthermore, these simple plants provide the highest vegetarian source of vitamin D, as well as copper and potassium, which are essential elements for good heart rhythm, neuron function, and red blood cell synthesis. Mushrooms cook quickly and go well with vegetarian, vegan, and meat-based dishes. Slice them up and put them on sandwiches or salads, or use them in any recipe that needs a more chewy texture. Number 8. Pineapple. Pineapple is one of my favorite fruits, says Elisa Zeed, RD, author of Nutrition at Your Fingertips. This super sweet fruit is high in minerals, fiber, B vitamins, and enzymes, as well as vitamin C. Pineapple and many other fruits and vegetables include elements that may help lower blood pressure, prevent cancer, and maintain regular bowel habits. In a salad or a quick smoothie, combine fresh or canned pineapple with other fruits. Serve pineapple on top of chicken or fish, or in cakes, pies, and tarts. Number 9. Pistachio nuts. Pistachios are more than just tasty. They also contain healthy fats, vitamins like thiamine, B6, and E, as well as potassium, magnesium, and fiber, which are components that many of us need. Antioxidants in these delectable nuts help combat cell-damaging free radicals, and some studies suggest they may even help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Zed recommends using pistachios in stir-fries, salads, or cooked vegetables, as well as in a trail mix with whole grain cereal and dried fruit. Pistachios can also be used in place of pine nuts or walnuts in your next homemade pesto. Number 10. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are little, yet they have a lot of power. They are high in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which may reduce cardiovascular risks and blood pressure, as well as protein and fiber, which help you feel full, according to Zed. Sunflower seeds are high in vitamin E, folate, thiamine, niacin, and iron, as well as phytochemicals, which are plant chemicals that protect against heart disease and cancer. Salads, stir-fries, and side dishes can all benefit from raw or salt-free roasted sunflower seeds. By adding a healthy handful to bread and muffins, you may improve the nutritious profile.